Kurujira Abebembezi binjwa mbazire nabacerekera abashomesa umwuga muhango ekintu cyo bari kugira ngo kigwire kureka abahwerahwerane ukureba ngo abana bakuze ubwo muringo murungi.
Timetable ya government iragira ngo kumbura kwa gatanu abandi agandi mashomero garashira kutwiba yitwa abazaire watayo mwana mu kwezi kwa kabiri konga mu kwezi kwa kana haragurwayo esande nkishatu ngo mwana yaratahi.
The idea that I want to share with you is it's not easy in our day and age to bring up a child with very solid values, beginning with the fear of God and the wisdom that comes from God and keeping God's commandments. It's not easy.
Twakwatandiriza hamwe abazaire abashomesa n'abaana n'abatali abashomesa bona ekintu twakikora hamwe.
Ebigambo by'Abebembezi by'Obwegyese mu district ya Kamwenge babiri nababwana aho abashomesa aha Mother Mary Nursery and Primary School oganira ahankwataganisa y'abazaire n'abashomesa.
Mutwara abantu mu mashomero gatakwikisa bagakwika barime babagara umwana yakora ku second grade yagiye kora musima mbagire ninko umugire ngo wakora first grade numuza kuzugwaho
eginenteka teka nonje munonga na ministry ne recommending omwaka gw'abana guhwa ishomero kutekanizaho school day abazire babana bakija abegesa bakatebekanisa abana
n'umwuga gw'umuzire munonga umwana abana gamba nawe ukabuze cyari kwenda naenda nyenshe kare abaki
okuganira oku kukorirwa ha muteguru kugira ngo n'obujunanuzi bwabwoha okukuza omwana ahagati y'omushomesa n'omuzire. Omugandi Right Reverend Rauben Kisembo or Bishop wa Rwenzori Diocese ahigira abazire okwehayo munongo kutungura eby'obwegyese omu byanga byabo. Bishop abire natahe mukono aha begenda nabana no kushabira bejibe Chamushanju aha Rim Junior School Rim Town Council district ya Bunyangabo.
So abazaire bateje kufunza Mbarara wait ubuso kukamsigira kiyondo nyuma ifala akazi kiyobeko transparente cyo kaka kazi uwo sababu kiyobeko na njani na kiyobeko
tine story tuzibiri nabagira ngo tubikore hati nibayika nababire to kubanza nitubihika nababire to kwa kabiri bari go mu cyaro nitubihika because tushomesa abana kwetegereza tutayikugira ngo no kwekebigezo kusha
abeje bagira ngo bashomesiwe kirukumara okutakasheko aha matamaga abazire babo n'abashomesa.
We have had enough revision with our teachers. We have had several group works, so we have formed groups. We have had different examiners.
We have been doing revision, writing papers, variety of the papers. Some different companies have been giving us papers we write, so that's what has been helping us to excel, revising books. We have been forming groups.
Kushomesa omwana no kwehayo okamanya cyo rukwenda
gasha kwa Einthone Atwine na Gilbert Mahangs.